You are spending 6, 8, maybe 10 hours a day studying. You read the same chapter 3 times, and when you look away from the page, you realize you haven't retained a single word. We are going to stop manual studying today. Instead, we are going to build a systematic, automated workflow that I call the AI Exam Prep Engine. This engine has 4 parts. By the end of this video, you will have a dynamic study schedule, an automated text summarizer, a 24/7 personal tutor, and an interactive mock interviewer. To build this, you only need 3 things: a free AI chat account like ChatGPT or Claude, access to Google NotebookLM, and a digital PDF of your syllabus or textbook. Setting up this engine shifts the heavy lifting. Instead of spending all your energy trying to organize and decode information, you can spend it actually absorbing the material. Step 1 is getting your timeline under control. We need to translate your exam dates, your strongest and weakest subjects, and your daily free hours into exact AI parameters. Open your AI tool and type this exact prompt. Fill in the brackets with your specific details. The AI takes your inputs and maps out a structured daily calendar, allocating more time to weak subjects. Missed a Tuesday? Just tell the AI to adjust the plan. It instantly recalculates the missed blocks, building a new timeline in seconds. This dynamic adjustment removes the guilt of falling behind. One bad day no longer derails their entire exam prep. Now that we have a schedule, step 2 is tackling the actual material. Go to Google NotebookLM and upload your dense, multi-page textbook chapter as a PDF. Look at this comparison. Instead of reading for an hour, prompt the system to extract the 10 critical points. Next, isolate a dedicated list of definitions to memorize. Finally, turn those notes into active practice by generating 10 short answer questions. You have just reduced an hour of manual syllabus processing down to 30 seconds. That time can now be spent actually testing yourself. Step 3 handles the roadblocks. It is 2 a.m. You are studying, your teachers are asleep, and you hit a concept that makes 0 sense. This is where we use the 2 a.m. doubt protocol. You drop the confusing text into the AI and type, "Explain this topic to me like I am a 15-year-old. Use a simple real-life example." The AI takes dense academic jargon and translates it into an everyday analogy that clicks with how you naturally think. If the first analogy doesn't work, you use the fallback strategy. You simply type, "I still don't understand. Explain it a different way." A human tutor gets frustrated when asked multiple times. The AI never does. It will find a new way to explain it until you understand, ensuring your study flow is never broken. Step 4 is where you produce your own work. For assignments, use the Thinking Partner workflow. Ask the AI to build a structural outline. Write the draft yourself using that roadmap, then feed it back to the AI for grammar and polish. To prepare for your exams or a viva, we use the testing loop. Tell the AI to act as a strict professor and explicitly instruct it to ask you questions one at a time, wait for your answer, and then provide feedback. The AI asks a question. You attempt an answer. The AI grades it, tells you what you missed, and asks the next question. Simulating the conversational pressure of a live interview in a private room is the most effective way to lock your knowledge in place. Look at the system you just built. You have a schedule that adapts to you, summaries generated in seconds, a tutor available at 2 a.m., and an endless bank of practice questions. You do not need to buy an expensive course to do this. Every tool in this workflow is completely free. Start building this today. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 4 steps you are going to try first. I read every single one. And if this workflow helped you, send this video to your class group right now. Your friends need to see this before their exams too. The modern student's success isn't defined by who suffers the longest hours of reading. It's defined by who uses the smartest systems. Go build yours.